Hi friends, today I want to show you a few decorative stitches which I could do on my Singer Talent 3321. So this machine is around 3 to 5 years old and I have not used it extensively because I was very busy with my job and all. So this has 21 stitches including 4-step buttonhole, and this is the pattern selector. I think these two are the major things, and you have tension here, and this is a width of it. So this is a major, and it has an automatic threader and all these things. So I just want to show you an overview of the stitches. Some stitches I'm not showing you the stitches by doing it on live today, that I'll do later. So I just wanted to show you that. So these are some of the beautiful decorative stitches I achieved on this machine. And one of the things that I wanted to show you was how fine these stitches come when I have something to stabilize here. I have not used a embroidery stabilizer as such, but this is my regular canvas that we use to add firmness to our collars and everything. So this has worked well. So you can see the beautiful stitches which has come. So for that, what I've done is I have put okay, before you do the patterns, changing the pattern or the decorative stitches, make sure that your needle is up. Otherwise it is very much possible that your needle will break. I have put it in S1 and I have used this one. So when this is here and the blue color is here, this is the stitch that is selected. So you can see that this is the stitch that has come out of it. I think you can see it properly. And if I have changed this to here, this option, which is like a tree kind of option, so this is the stitch that has come out. It has come out quite beautifully. And I wanted to try this. So you can see that when I move this, you can see the needle moving. This is the reason why we say that the needle has to be up. So this is another decorative stitch which I tried. So that is this one. Okay, you can see. And I wanted to give a try. Okay, now when I want a given stitch length, I put it almost 0. And I wanted to try this one, this one. Okay, so that is these decorative stitches. I think I need little more adjustment so that these stitches are close by, like this is better one. I think it requires me to manipulate the stitch length a little more so that it's almost 0, so that this pattern comes definitely. So these are just some of the stitches. There are a lot more. There are around 21 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is like 10 stitches. Each of them has 2 options. And this is the 4-step buttonhole. Probably one day I'll show you how all these stitches and also how to do the buttonhole easily on this. I believe it comes out quite neat. Maybe not. Maybe I'm not tried the 1-step buttonhole, but I'm happy with this one. This works well for me. Yeah. So another thing that I want to show you was that, see, if we don't put a stiff canvas or embroidery stabilizer below it, your stitches don't come so well. So since this is a new cloth and has some sort of starch, this looks fine, but in reality if you try something on a actual fabric, sometimes it happens that your stitches don't come very nicely. So always use a backing or an embroidery stabilizer or a canvas before you attempt any of this on your nice clothes. Yeah, that's all right now. Thank you for watching.